If two statements have the same true value, then they are equivalent. 0, 0. In between we had dot operator. If you don't have any variable, it means that it's a dot operator. 0 into 0 into 1. Then output become 0 here. If they are not given any method, then whichever method you want, you can use that. Whether it may be truth table method, or by using perfect induction method, or by using algebraic method. In all the three methods you can follow. Welcome back to One and All. Myself, Vasanta, lecturer in Computer Science, Vidhyaashram, Pre-University College, Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. Today, we have to start with the second session of Boolean Algebra. Whereas in the previous class, you have studied regarding the introduction regarding Boolean Algebra. What do you mean by tautology, fallacy, truth function, truth value, how to predict that. Then, which are the logical operators like and, or, not operators, how to use that, and how to write the Venn diagram regarding that. Then logic gates, that is AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, how to write the symbol as well as truth table for 2 variable as well as 3 variable. These are the things already you have studied in the previous class. Today you will come to know how to solve any expression using truth table. How to solve the given expression using truth table, and how to solve the given expression by using perfect induction method, algebraic method, as well as principle of duality. Now, one by one we will discuss you. First one, how to evaluate a Boolean expression using truth table. If I am going to give any equation, then how to write the truth table for that. Then only you can able to solve the problems. Then first one by one we will explain. To create a truth table, following steps to be followed. The first step, 1. Determine the number of variables. For n variables, create a table with 2 to the power of n rows. It means that if you have 2 variables, for example a and b, then how many rows you will get, how many combinations you will get, that you have to identify. For example, if you have 2 variables, then 2 to the power of 2, 4 combinations you will get. For example, if you have 3 variables, for example a, b, c, then how to identify how many combinations you will get? 2 to the power of 3, that is 8 combinations you will get. If it is 4 variables, then 16 combinations you will get. If you have only one variable, for example only one variable a, then how many combinations? 2 to the power of 1, that is equals to 2 combinations only will get. That you have to identify. The first step itself, you have to identify how many combinations you will get, that is 2 to the power of n number of rows will get. Then for 2 variables, then 4 combinations you will get. If you have 3 variables, then 8 combinations you will get. If you have 4 variables, that is 2 to the power of 4, then 16 combinations you will get. That you have to identify. That is the first step. 1 and false for given variable. This is the second step. List the variables and every combination of 1 and 0 you have to mention here for each and every cell. Then third step, create a new column for each terms of the statement or argument. Then generate the result depending upon the requirement. If 2 statements have the same true value, then they are equivalent. These are the few steps you have to follow while writing any truth table. Now we will explain with an examples. Consider we have an expression f equals x plus y bar. Consider this is the expression. Then how to write the truth table? First, you have to identify how many variables are there. In this expression, we have 2 variables. Then 4 combinations we are getting here. Then list the variables and every combination of x and y bar values you have to find out. Then create a new table y bar separately and then fill the values. Final column contains the value of x plus y bar. That I will show now. Whereas what is the equation? X plus y bar is the equation. Now, first write down x and y. From this you can identify, from this you will get totally 2 variables. 2 means 4 combinations will get. First I am going to write x and then y. 4 combinations means first write down 2 times 0, then write down 2 times 1. Then alternative 0, 1, 0, 1. These are the input combination. First you have to write. Then find y bar. because my equation, my agenda is to find x plus y bar. That's why here x already we have, then you have to find only y bar. Then find out y bar. How to find out y bar? Whatever thing in the y column, just reverse that to get y bar. Then here we have 0, then 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. It means that just reverse the value of y to get y bar. Then add x plus y bar value. Just consider x column as well as y bar column. You have to consider x column as well as y bar column. Then here x plus y bar we have. In between plus operator we have. Plus means if any one of the input is true, output become true here. When all the inputs are false, then only the output become false here. See, just consider the first column as well as third column. Here 0 plus 1 we have. Then output become 1 because here in plus, if any one of the input is true, output become true here. That's why 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is once again 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 0 is once again 1. This is the output to perform x plus y bar. Now, we will show one more for expressions here. Prepare a truth table of combination for the following Boolean expression. Consider we have the expression x bar into y bar plus x bar into y, one equation, and one more equation. You have to prove that x plus x, y equals x. Consider in this we have two equations. One by one we will prove now. First one we have x bar, y bar plus x bar, y. Now, first step, we have to identify how many variables? 2 variables. 2 variables means 4 combinations we are getting. First, I will write the 4 combinations. Then, first one is x and one more is y. 4 combinations means write down 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. In this one, we have x bar and then y bar we required. Is it no? Then I will take this is x bar. One more column y bar. Okay. X bar. To find out x bar, just reverse the x value. Then here 0, 0, 1 we have. Then 1, 1, 0, 0 we have. Next, complement y bar. Then here, whatever thing in the y we have, just complement that. Here 0, 1, 0, 1 we have. That's why 1, 0, 1, 0. Now is it clear? Next, we have to find out x bar already is there. Then what is the next thing? I will complete the first part. X bar into y bar I will take. This is x bar into y bar column. Here I am going to take. Then x bar column as well as y bar column to take. In between, if you don't have any operator, then it is considered as a AND operation. AND means when all the inputs are true, then only the output become true here. Then here 1 into 1, what is the output? AND means all the inputs are 1, then only the output become 1. Otherwise, it is 0. 1 into 1, the output become 1 here. 1 into 0. Once again, 1 times 0 we have 0. Here 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 0, 0. First part we have completed. Now we will find the second part. That is x bar into y. Then we have to take x bar column as well as y column we have to consider. Here also in between we have dot operator. That's why we have to take x bar and then y. Here just see 0 into 1, 0. Here 1 into 1, 1. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0 here. Just consider x bar as well as y column. 0 into 0, 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 0 and here also 0. Next final output we have to find out. That is x bar, y bar plus x bar y. This is the final output we want. Then which of the columns you have to consider? This column as well as x bar into y column you have to consider. But here in between we have plus operator. Plus means if any one of the input is true, output become true. Here 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Now it's clear. Like this you have to write the truth table. Now we will write one more thing. That is x plus xy equals x. Here we have to prove this. That is x plus xy equals x we have to prove. Then how to write the circuit, how to write the truth table? First here 2 variables. That's why here I will take totally 4 combinations. First here we will take x variable. Then one more is y variable. Then 4 combinations means 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Next you have to find out x into y. x into y. Then here these two columns you have to consider 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Next you have to find out x plus xy. X plus xy. You have to find out. X plus xy means first column as well as third column you have to consider. While considering in between we have plus operator. Plus means if any one of the input is true, output become true here. Then 0 plus 0 is 0 here. First column and third column. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1 time 1 we have the output become 1. And 1 plus 1, 1. It is same as your x value is same as your x plus xy. Therefore, x plus xy is equals to x. This is your final equation. Like this, you have to write the circuit diagram for the given equation. Now, we'll explain with one more exercise problem, that is x, y, z bar plus x bar, y bar, z. Then, first you will identify how many columns here we are getting. One by one, right? First x, one column, and one more column is y, and one more column is z. All the columns will take. Then, how many combinations you are getting? 3 variables means totally 8 combinations we are getting. 8 combinations means 4 times 0, 4 times 1. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 0 here I have written. Then 4 times 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 0 as well as 4 times 1. Next, alternative 2 times 0, 2 times 1, double 0, double 1, double 0, double 1. Next, single time 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, next, you have to find out x, y, z bar plus x bar, y bar. Then we need bar for each variable. First, I will find out x bar. Next, I will find out y bar. Next, I will find out z bar. All the things one by one will find out. Then x bar means complement of x. Then here 4 times 0, then 4 times 1 we had, then alternative. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1. Next, write down 4 times 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1. Okay. Next, y bar. It is just opposite of your y column. Then 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0. Next, z bar. Whatever thing in z, we just complement that. Here 1, 0, 1. Here 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Next, what you have to find out? X into y into first part I will find out. X into y into z bar. X into y into z bar. Next column I am going to take. X into y into z bar we require. Is it no? Then I have to take x column, y column as well as z bar column. 3 columns I have to consider. First 2 columns and z bar column I have to consider. See here. 0, 0. In between we had dot operator. If you don't have any variable, it means that it's a dot operator. 0 into 0 into 1. Then output become 0 here. Because all the inputs are 1, then only the output become 1. See the second case. 0 into 0 into 0. 0 once again. Here 0 into 1 into 1. Then output become once again 0 because here I am having 1 times 0. Then here 0 into 1 into 0. Then once again 0. Here 0 into 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1 into 1, 1. All the inputs are 1. Then 1 into 1 into 0, 0. Now is it clear? Next, find out x bar, y bar, z. X bar, y bar and then z column. Then which are the columns you have to consider? X bar column, y bar column and z. These 3 columns you have to consider now. Here also in between you don't have any operator. It is assumed that it's a dot operator. Now consider these 3 columns. 0, 1, 1. Then it is 0 only. Then here 1, 1, 1. All the inputs are 1. That's why output become 1 here. Then 1, 0, 1. 0 here. Then double time 1, 0. Then here once again 0. Here once again 0. Here once again 0. Last one is also 0. Now, final output we have to find out. That is x, y, z bar plus x bar, y bar, z we have to find out. Okay, now it means that you have to consider these two columns now. In between plus operator, we have plus means if any one of the input is true, output become true here. 0 plus 0, 0. Here 1 time 1 we have 1. Here 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. These are the method to write the truth table for the given equation. In the exam, you will get a question, write a circuit diagram or write the truth table. Like that, you will going to get the question. If you get the question, write the truth table for the equation. Then on this method only, you have to write the truth table. Next, we'll discuss about how to write or solve the equation by using perfect induction method. What do you mean by this perfect induction method? Because usually in part C you will going to get the question, or in part B also you may going to get the question in such a way that prove this by using perfect induction method, prove this by using truth table, prove this by using algebraic method. Whichever method in the question they are given, on that method only you have to solve. For example, in the question, if they're going to give solve the equation by using perfect induction method, then if you solve the same problem by using algebraic method, then also you will not going to get the marks. In the question, if they are going to give solve the equation by using perfect induction method, then if you solve the same equation by using truth table, then also you will not going to get the marks. In the question, which method they are given, that you have to follow. If they are not given any method, then whichever method you want, you can use that. Whether it may be truth table method or by using perfect induction method or by using algebraic method. In all the three methods you can follow. Whereas truth table method means by applying the table and solve each and every equation. That is truth table method. Then what do you mean by perfect induction method? This is a method providing or solving the Boolean theorem by substituting all possible values. All possible values here. Which are the values? 0 and 1. For the given equation, you have to substitute 0 one time, and in the same equation, you have to substitute 0 one time as well as 1 one time, then you have to solve. That is perfect induction method. Consider we have the equation. Consider one equation we have x plus x equals x. Consider this is the equation. Then how to prove this? By using perfect induction method, first you have to put x equals 0 one time. Then for the same equation, put x equals 1 another time. Then you have to solve that. Then see here, for the place of x, I will substitute 0. Then this is the equation. Then how to write? 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0 only. Therefore, right hand side value equals left hand side value. Then for the same equation, put x equals 1 another time. Then substitute on the place of on the given equation 1 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but once again 1, that is also equals to 1. Therefore, right hand side value equals left hand side value. This is the perfect induction method. Perfect induction method andre ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ x ಗೆ 0 ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ x ಗೆ 1 ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. Consider one more equation, x into x equals x. Now the same equation here I am going to take x into x equals x. Consider this is the equation. One time I will put x equals 0 and another time I will put x equals 1. Okay, now I will substitute 0 on the place of x. 0 into 0 equals 0. Then 0 into 0 is once again 0 equals 0. Therefore, right hand side value equals left hand side value. Now in the same way, on the place of x, substitute 1. 1 into 1 equals 1. 1 into 1 is nothing but once again 1 equals 1. Therefore, right hand side value equals left hand side value. This is nothing but perfect induction method. Truth table method andre ಟೇಬಲ್ ವೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸಾರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ 0 ಅಂತ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸಾರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ 1 ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರೈಕ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರೈಕ್ ಮೆಥಡ್? Algebraic method is nothing but by using formulas when you solve the equation, then it can be called as algebraic method or equation method. Whereas truth table means you have to write the table and you have to substitute all the possible values and then you have to solve. Whereas perfect induction method means one time you have to substitute 0 and then you have to solve, Another time you have to substitute 1 and then you have to solve. Whereas algebraic method means by using formulas when you solve the equation, then it can be called as algebraic method. Consider algebraic method. It is a method of providing Boolean theorem by applying formulas. By applying postulates. If you solve the equation, then it can be called as algebraic method. Now, consider the equation. We have the equation A B bar C D bar plus A B bar C D plus A B C D bar plus A B C D. Then, see the equation. Can you observe here which is the common term here? Which are the common terms? In this case, I can get A is the common term in between these two. Then B bar as well as C is the common term. Then I will take the remaining concept here, D bar plus D. From these two parts, A, B bar, C is the common variable. Then the remaining in this part is D bar and here D. Then in the same way, in the second part also, just observe the common thing. A, B, C is the common variable. Write down A, B, C. Then the remaining variable in the part B bar plus D. You know the formula A bar into A equals A bar into A equals 1. In the same way, D bar into D is 1 only. Then the equation represent A, B bar, C into 1 plus A, B, C into 1. Now, 1 into any variable that is equals to A, B bar, C plus A, B, C. From this, which is the common factor A and C, I can take common factor. A and C is the common factor. Remaining B bar plus B. B bar plus B is once again it becomes 1 only. Then A into C into 1 that is equals to AC. This is nothing but algebraic method. Solve the equation by using algebraic method. Now we'll take some more example and then we'll solve you. Consider one more example. X bar y bar z bar plus x bar y z bar plus x y bar z bar plus x y z bar. Consider this is the equation. Just observe here which are the common variables x bar and z. I can take common factor. X bar as well as z bar is the common factor. The remaining will be y bar plus y. In the second part, here just observe which are the common factor. X and z bar is the common factor. Take down x and z bar is the common factor. The remaining y bar plus y. Now once again y bar plus y is nothing but 1 only. That's why here x bar, z bar. Here x, z bar. This part also represents 1 and this part also represents 1. Then from this you just observe which are the common factor. Here we have z bar is the common factor. Then x bar plus x is nothing but 1 once again here. Then z bar into 1. Z bar into 1 is nothing but z bar. Now it's clear. These are the method to solve the given equation, whether it may be truth table method or by algebraic method or by perfect induction method. Whereas algebraic method means by applying formulas, postulates we are solving. Next, we will solve the equation once again by using algebraic method. Consider we have to prove x plus y into x plus z equals x plus y using algebraic method. Consider you have the question like this way. Then how to prove this? See the equation x plus y one part, then x plus z another part, that is equals to x plus y z. We have to prove using algebraic method. Then how to prove this? Just multiply with x with this variable as well as this one. In the same way, y with x as well as y with z. And then distribute the given equation. Now, the equation represents x into x plus x into z. X with x with z. Next, once again, x into y plus x into y, then y into z. Second part. Now, you just observe x into x. By using properties of multiplication, if you have two variables, same pattern, I can write it single time. This is x plus xz plus xy plus yz. Once again, from these two, I can take x is the common factor, then x 1 plus z plus xy plus yz. Then once again, 1 plus z is nothing but 1 only. That is equals to x into 1 plus xy plus yz. Now once again that is same as x into 1 any variable, then x only, plus xy plus yz. Then from these two, once again I take x is common factor, x into 1 plus y plus yz. Then once again y plus z is nothing but 1 only, then x into 1 plus yz. Now x into 1 is nothing but x only, x plus yz. This is your right hand side value. Therefore, right hand side value equals left hand side value. Like this, we can prove this one. Consider we have one more equation, x plus xy equals x. We have to solve this. We have to prove this by using algebraic method. Then how to prove this? X plus xy equals x. You just observe from this first part, which is a common factor, x is the common factor. Then 1 plus y. 1 plus y is nothing but once again 1 only, x into 1. X into 1 is nothing but x here. Therefore, right hand side value equals left hand side value. In both the case, in algebraic method as well as in perfect induction method, we will prove the equation. And if I want, I can write the truth table. By truth table method also we can prove, or by using algebraic method also we can prove, or by perfect induction method also we can prove. It means that in this class you have studied algebraic method, truth table method, perfect induction method. Next, we will explain you regarding the principle of duality. What do you mean by principle of duality? Theorem states that it is very important and it is very easy also. This is very important principle used in Boolean algebra. In this principle states that changing all plus by dot operator, wherever you have plus, just replace it by dot operator. And wherever you have dot, just replace it by plus operator. And replace all 0 by 1 and all 1 by 0. These are the 4 principles in principle of duality you have to follow. The first step, replace plus by dot, change dot by plus, replace all 0 by 1 as well as 1 by 0. A derived relation using principal duality theorem is called dual of original expression. Now we will explain with some example. Consider one example, x plus 0 equals x, we have the equation. Then see here plus we have, while writing duality form, this plus will replace by dot. Already I told you, dot by plus, plus by dot, 0 by 1, 1 by 0. See the first one, here dot plus here we have, that will replace by dot there. Then here 0 we have, there will replace by 1. See, x plus dot, then 0 plus 1 equals x. See the second equation, x plus 1 equals 1, that is x plus will replace by dot, 1 replaced by 0, 1 is also replaced by 0. Then here x into x bar equals 0, that is x dot will replace by plus, x bar plus 0 replaced by 1. In the same way, x into y plus z we have. Now this dot will replace by plus here, that is x plus y into z, because here we have plus and here we have dot. Just replace that. Then x plus yz equals x plus y, we have the equation. Then here once again replace this plus by dot operator and dot by plus operator, plus by dot operator. Okay, these are the methods of solving the equation, where it may be algebraic method, or it may be truth table method, or it may be perfect induction method, or it may be duality form of an expression. Now is it clear for all of you? Next class, we will meet with once again with the remaining concept of the same chapter. Thank you for all of you.